Hi, this is Shyamala Gauri, Assistant Professor in CSE Department from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Subject code CZS 355 Neural Networks and Deep Learning. Unit 2 Associative Memory and Unsupervised Learning Network. The topic covered in this presentation is Adaptive Resonance Theory Network. Its types and its architecture are explained in this presentation. Adaptive Resonance Theory Network. ART, adaptive resonance theory, is a type of neural network technique developed by Stephen Grossberg and Gail Carpenter in 1987. The basic art uses unsupervised learning technique. The term adaptive and resonance used in this suggests that they are open to new learning without discarding the previous or the old information. The art networks are known to solve the stability plasticity dilemma, that is, stability refers to their nature of memorizing the learning, and plasticity refers to the fact that they are flexible to gain new information. Due to this, the nature of art, they are always able to learn new input patterns without forgetting the past. Art networks implement a clustering algorithm. Input is presented to the network and the algorithm checks whether it fits into one of the already stored clusters. If it fits, then the input is added to the cluster that matches the most, else a new cluster is formed. Types of ART. Art 1. It is the simplest and the basic art architecture. It is capable of clustering binary input values. Art 2. It is extension of Art 1, that is capable of clustering continuous valued input data. Fuzzy art. It is the augmentation of fuzzy logic and art. Art map. It is a supervised form of art learning where one art learns based on the previous art module. It is also known as predictive art. Fort map. This is supervised art architecture with fuzzy logic included. ART architecture. The adaptive resonant theory is a type of neural network that is self-organizing and competitive. It can be of both types, the unsupervised ones, Art1, Art2, Art3, etc., or the supervised ones, Art-map. Generally, the supervised algorithms are named with suffix map, but the basic art model is unsupervised in nature and consists of F1 layer or the comparison field where the inputs are processed. F2 layer or the recognition field, which consists of the clustering units. The reset module that acts as a control mechanism. The F1 layer accepts the inputs and performs some processing and transfers it to the F2 layer that best matches with the classification factor. There exist two sets of weighted interconnection for controlling the degree of similarity between the units in F1 and F2 layer. The F2 layer is a competitive layer. The cluster unit with the large net input becomes the candidate to learn the input pattern first, and the rest F2 units are ignored. The reset unit makes the decision whether or not the cluster unit is allowed to learn the input pattern depending on how similar its top-down weight vector is to the input vector and to the decision. This is called the vigilance test. Thus, we can say that the vigilance parameter helps to incorporate new memories or new information. Higher vigilance produces more detailed memories, lower vigilance produces more general memories. Higher vigilance produces more detailed memories, lower vigilance produces more general memories. Generally, two types of learning exist, slow learning and fast learning. In fast learning, weight update during resonance occurs rapidly. It is used in Art 1. In slow learning, the weight change occurs slowly relative to the duration of the learning trial. It is used in Art 2. Thank you.